This is the Mathemagic video number, I don't even remember, but we're going to talk about the power of doubles. So let's try this. We're talking about a piece of paper. Now, the piece of paper is said that it's 0.1 millimeter thick, right? So if I fold this in half, which is, I'm doubling the thickness. If I fold this once, the paper thickness is going to be 0.2 millimeters. If I fold this twice, it's going to be 0.4 millimeter thickness, right? Like this. Now, how many folds should I do until the paper thickness is, this paper could reach the moon? Now, the Earth to the moon is just over 380,000 kilometers, right? So let's guess first. Let's pause the video. How many folds do I have to make? How many times do I have to fold until the thickness of the paper is going to reach the moon? So we can do this. So 0.1 millimeters. This is the first fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after seventh fold, it goes over 12.8 millimeters. That is 1.28 centimeters. Let's change the centimeters now. 1.28. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14th folds, it's over 163 centimeters, which is 1.6384 meters. It's already over a meter now after 14th fold. So this is 1.6384 times 2. This is a 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24th fold goes over 1,677 meters, which is over a kilometer. So 1.67777216 kilometers. So 1.67777216 multiplied by 2. This is 25. 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. This is 1.7 kilometers. Still going. 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40 folds. Now it's getting close. 41 to 19902 kilometers. That's pretty close. 42 is now over the moon now. 42 is the answer, as well. People say 42 is the answer of everything, right? So 42 folds of the paper would get to the moon. So this is a power of double part 2 video.